Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford keyless entry remote. Now remember, this is not a key fob, this is only keyless entry for older models, mostly between 93 to 98. Okay, this comes out of a Mustang, I'm sorry, but it fits also Ford Bronco, Econoline, F-Series, Explorer, Wagon, Expedition, Ranger, Windstar, also Mercury and Lincoln. As I said, usually between 93 to 97. Very easy. The battery, you will need two of them. 2016, two batteries, 2016. You can click on the link below to get it online. What we do, we just take a flathead, okay, and right here, turn clockwise, okay, and open the cover, and then all I have to do now is just to take the batteries out, which I do right here. Okay, there is a slot, and I take the battery. Same thing with this one. Take the battery. And these are good batteries, so I'll use them, as I said. 2016. Now I just put them back, face down, like that, and like that. Close, and you're all good. You can program this remote yourself. You can click on the link below to get the instructions how to do it. Very easy. Takes a few minutes, and that's about it. Remember, keyless, not a key fob. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.